Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 10 benefits of butternut squash. Butternut squash, also known as winter squash, is a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable enjoyed around the world for its slightly sweet and nutty flavor. It belongs to the cucurbit family, which also includes pumpkins and zucchinis. Butternut squash is not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health. Here are the top 10 benefits of butternut squash and why it deserves a place in your diet. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. Butternut squash is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, making it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. It is particularly high in vitamins A, C, and E, which are important for immunity, skin health, and vision. Additionally, it provides potassium, magnesium, and manganese, essential minerals that support various bodily functions. A single serving of butternut squash delivers a substantial portion of your daily nutrient requirements while being low in calories. Number 2. Supports healthy vision. One of the standout benefits of butternut squash is its high content of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining healthy eyesight, particularly in low-light conditions. Regular consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods like butternut squash can help prevent age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other vision-related issues. The lutein and zeaxanthin found in butternut squash also contribute to eye health by protecting the retina from oxidative damage. Number 3. Boosts immunity. The combination of vitamins A and C in butternut squash makes it an excellent immune booster. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Meanwhile, vitamin A strengthens the skin and mucous membranes, acting as a barrier against pathogens. Including butternut squash in your diet can help keep your immune system strong, especially during flu and cold seasons. Number 4. Promotes heart health. Butternut squash is good for your heart thanks to its high levels of potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, while magnesium supports heart muscle function. The fiber content in butternut squash aids in lowering cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, the antioxidants in butternut squash, such as beta-carotene and vitamin E, help prevent oxidative damage to the heart and blood vessels. Number 5. Aids in weight management. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, butternut squash is a fantastic food to incorporate into your meals. It's low in calories and fat while being high in dietary fiber, which helps you feel full for longer. Fiber slows down digestion and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, the natural sweetness of butternut squash makes it a satisfying substitute for high-calorie, sugary foods. Number 6. Improves digestive health. The high fiber content in butternut squash is excellent for promoting healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods like butternut squash can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and lower the risk of gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome. Number 7. Supports bone health. Butternut squash contains important nutrients for maintaining strong and healthy bones, including calcium, magnesium, and manganese. Calcium is essential for bone density, while magnesium helps the body absorb calcium more effectively. Manganese plays a role in bone formation and the production of connective tissues. Together, these minerals help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and keep your skeletal system robust as you age. Number 8. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Butternut squash is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help reduce inflammation in the body. These nutrients neutralize free radicals and lower the levels of inflammatory markers, promoting overall health. Including butternut squash in your diet can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 9. Supports healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in butternut squash are also beneficial for your skin. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Vitamin A helps repair skin damage and prevents dryness, while vitamin E protects the skin from harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants. The beta-carotene in butternut squash gives your skin a natural glow and reduces the appearance of blemishes and wrinkles. Number 10. Provides energy and balances blood sugar. Butternut squash is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. Unlike simple sugars, complex carbohydrates in butternut squash are digested slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. This makes it a suitable food for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels. Additionally, the fiber in butternut squash further helps regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. How to incorporate butternut squash into your diet. Number 1. Roasted butternut squash. Cut butternut squash into cubes, toss them with olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, and roast them in the oven until tender. Roasted butternut squash is a delicious side dish or can be added to salads and grain bowls. Number 2. Butternut squash soup. Blend roasted or boiled butternut squash with vegetable stock, garlic, onions, and a splash of cream or coconut milk for a creamy and comforting soup. Add spices like nutmeg or cinnamon for extra flavor. Number 3. Mashed butternut squash. Similar to mashed potatoes, butternut squash can be boiled and mashed with butter, salt, and a touch of honey for a healthier alternative. Butternut squash is not only versatile and delicious but also an excellent way to improve your overall health. With its wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it supports a healthy lifestyle in numerous ways. Whether roasted, blended into soup, or mashed, incorporating butternut squash into your diet is an easy step toward better health. So go ahead and give this nutrient-packed vegetable a try. You won't regret it.